So today I will start from the basics, okay? How actually ServiceNow is looking and what are the ServiceNow sales, all the things I will tell you. So basically, ServiceNow is a platform where not only you can create the ticketing, but you can do a number of projects with the process of automation. Okay, it's a main plus point of the ServiceNow. It it automate the entire process so that can work will be done in a fraction of seconds, because in the business field, generally how business is going growing up, or how the market is elaborating the business, it totally depends on how fast you are doing the work. So the automation process of this service now will provide the entire fastness and reliability and security. All the operations are come in the service now. So that's why the service now is very important. Nowadays, service now has been increasing day by day. If you go for Naukri or a LinkedIn, you will check the possibilities of service now jobs. You will definitely get daily one post. You will definitely get from the LinkedIn and the service and Naukri.com. But depends on what the modules are they are teaching, what the modules are they want.
Sorry,
So
Venkatesh. In
uh,
middle, your voice is not audible.
now it's okay.
Ah, yes.
Just a minute. I'm audible now. I'm audible.
Yes.
Yes. So I'm saying that if you see the LinkedIn or an Naukri.com, daily one post you will see on based on the service now. They want some employees to work on the service now. They want to recruit some employees, but based on the modules, the criteria and the priority has been changing, because service now is a vast subject. We cannot survive with one or two or three modules in the hand. You have to learn more modules so that we can grasp the good opportunity from the different organization. Okay, so you can see basic structure of service now. It's basically an workflow platform that helps the company's automation business process, like IT support, HR request, security operation, customer service. This customer service comes under the CSM, okay, customer service management, and the security operations come under the SecOps. It's another module. HR requests come under the HRSD. So this is another module. So there is number of modules which all come together in the service now. So basically in ITSM, we actually study about the incidents, problem change, service request, SLS, and these are the basically of a basic structure of the administration, and some part of service portal also. I will teach you the basic model of the service portal, because service portal is the something different concept which is out of from the ITSM. Okay, but I will give you a small gist on it, because it will help you to create some of the record producers, and it will help you to show in the dashboards and the reports. So these are all interlinked, so that's why I will give you some gist on it. You can easily make it, and you can easily implement it, so don't worry about that. And these are actually how the company use it to it manage, like IT incidents. You know about the incident, how they are created. So HR employee life cycle, what are how the employee has been using this. Customer service request, how if a customer is sending want to get some request from the organization, how customers actually doing this come under the CSM. This actually based on what are the accounts, what are the services. So based on this we can study about the service now. Security operation, how data has been securized on the service now. Asset management, what is asset management, means how your assets have been stored in the entire organization. This has been come under the ITAM. ITAM is something different concept. And procurement, this you know about that procurement, how large procurement, small procurement, how the company has been doing. So these are come under, all these come under the service now organization only. So most largely companies run many internal workflows on the service now, because for example there is a concept called integration in the service now. I'm the ABC company and you are the XYZ company. Let's imagine. I just want to send a incident from the ServiceNow to your company, but your company don't use the ServiceNow. So at that time, how it will help to raise the incident? It's come under the integration part. Like you are using some Jira, for example. You I think you heard about Jira, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Jagdish, have you heard about Jira?
Yes, I had it like another ticketing platform.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes. It's actually another ticketing platform, but mostly small organizations will use it for
Okay.
their basic, fulfillment of incidents type or like that. So it is one of the same platform only, but majorly it has something different. The concept the integration concept when it comes now, I will teach you how you can integrate it. So this internal workflow also used by the ServiceNow only. Okay, today 85% of this is the actually basic uh, information about the ServiceNow only. So this is actually, you can see the market size. This is the market size. By 2026 it will be 15 plus 15 billion dollar. So this is how actually globally actually increasing day by day. So here actually main concept come, who can sell the service now actually. ServiceNow itself is a direct company, but it actually maintains some large company uh, TCS is there, Infosys is there, Accenture is there. So they are actually taking that into their hands and they provide the customer solutions and customer services through that company. So this is how actually ServiceNow works. And the product partners are like that. You can see HR automation, compliance, industry solutions. So all the major, market built apps all come under these three only. So these are also one of the, information about the organization or the ServiceNow implementation. And these are actually general things which you have to keep in your mind. That's it. It's not very information about that. So I already told you about the different modules like ITSM, ITOM, ITM, SecOps is security option. So all this come under the IT workflows only. So customer workflow, I already told you about, it's come under the CSM. So it's another one. Creator workflow is app engine, automation engine. If you study about in later classes, you will study about the flow designer. In that flow designer, you know about what actually the automation process will be do. Okay, majorly ServiceNow will be used between these three sectors like telecom, healthcare, and banking. Majorly because these three are 24 into 7 services: telecom, healthcare, and banking. So that's why this maximum, if any one of the sector will be breakdown, the entire system will be collapsed. So that is the reason this three has been uh, very much, depends on the service now, and service now depends on this three. So this is a vice versa on the give and take relation between the businesses. And so coming to the certification, ServiceNow certification is actually on the one is CSA, administration. Another is called the development part. After completion of CSA only, then only you can go to the developing part. So implementation specialist will be always on three things, like for example ITSM, ITAM, and CSM, because every organization, whichever organization is ServiceNow is using, these three will be a mandatory for them. So that's why you have to study apart from ITSM. You just go through the ITAM and CSM also, because every organization maintains these three standards. Apart from another modules like HRSD, SecOps, all the things. So you have to study. You have to see the broader aspect of the service now. And coming to the how actually service now give you a boost to your career path is like, first you have to do the administration, then developing, then consultant, and then architect. So these are actually how implementation has been working. Like for developing part, you know how to create an incident, how to manage an incident, how to assign an incident, what are the changes will be takes on the incident when incident will become. These all come under the administration. After administration, the developing part, like how you should attach an automation platform to that incident. If an incident has been created, which group should be triggered first, which employee should get the message or a notification from the organization. So these all the come under the developing part. Consultant is like, uh, you have to build that type of automation process, though it will be taken minimum time, so it will be resolved in 0.5 seconds or 0.3 seconds. The entire automation will be come under that way. So it will depends on how you are developing your skills. It's come under the consultant. And architect is how you are developing the projects. It's actually one of the major thing in the service now. It is, if you get an experience in service now, like more than a 10 years or more than a 12 years, then only we can qualified as an architect. Otherwise we can't go into the architect directly. You have to grasp the entire project, then you have to design the entire project and start implementation the project. So these all come under the architect only. It's actually very big thing. When you study slowly you will get to know things how it actually works in the organization. Then only you can go to the further step. And I think businesses, all the things are irrelevant to you, because this is actually based on how actually service now helps in the organization, all the things. So this is the basic structure how actually service now will uh, take you to the step. And yeah, now coming to the main thing. Yeah, have you heard about the ITIL, Jagdish?
Yes.
Do you have any idea about it? Can you elaborate it? What is ITIL?
In general term, it is the total IT process, day-to-day work-life process of the IT industry.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything more? Anything more you want to add?
More
Yeah, you can
nothing
try it. You can try it. If you know, okay, you can try
like
it.
no English.
Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. I will tell you. See, this is actually basic structure of the service now. Before you step into the service now, you should keep these two things in your mind. One is ITIL and one is ITSM. Okay. What is ITIL means? It's actually a basic framework. Okay, policies and procedures. These are the basic framework for the IT organization. How you should approach that work. It is actually a guidebook. Okay. For example, you are going on the traffic, on a traffic signal. How can you know that if the red is come, you have to stop, green is you have to move on? So that is the thing, you can say it is an ITL for that. And you are implementing on the road, on the highways, on the road, and that is the service now. Okay. The basic structure and the basic policies procedures, that how you should implement it and what are the things you should do if an incident will come, if a problem will come, and how to change the change management procedure. So the things, but where should you implement? You have to implement in some tool called ServiceNow, and these all come under the ITSM. Okay. What is actually ITSM is actually, it provides a scalable workflow to manage and deliver IT services to the users all through a single cloud-based platform, because all it is stored in the cloud. To that cloud only we can sharing our knowledge and implementing it. Through that cloud only we are just developing our business, so that it will be easy to implement and at the same time easy to access. So this is actually definition of the ITSM, and this is the definition of ITI. So I think you got it, Jagdish.
Yes, Venkatesh.
Yeah. So actually, I told you about the ITSM. So what are the ITSM tools are available in the market? Like ServiceNow is number one, Jira Service Management, Fresh. Actually, for computing the BMC software only, this ServiceNow has been came. So first it was only the BMC software was there. Now ServiceNow is also competitive to BMC. I think you have basic idea on Zoho. Now it is exploring in the India. So these are some of the things. These are the some of the tools which are top tools which are available in the market. So whatever uh, the public demand, it is actually switching. You know about the software, right? Software demands always switches to one thing to other thing. So depends on how you are learning one thing particularly or one tool particularly. It will take you to the understanding of the different tools too. So coming to the service now, we learn about what actually ITSM is. So ServiceNow is a cloud-based ITSM tool which is used to automate your business process and provide a best service to the customer. Actually, in lot of ServiceNow communities or in a internet or in a Google, you can search it what is ServiceNow. It will actually give you the ticketing tool. You cannot rely only on the ticketing, okay, in ServiceNow, because you have to make a large number of projects. You have to implement the projects and you have to deliver the customer customization of the some customers probabilities. See, it's come under the CSM. So it's not only a ticketing tool, it's actually cloud-based ITSM tool which automate an entire business process and provides the best services to the customers. So you can say it business process to automate to the customers to give the best output, or to give the best you can take best allocate resource and design the process flow of those services. So after completing of the project also you have to give the services. So the entire you can mug up like that. And coming to the service now, how the service now has been divided, it's divided in three aspects: client, organization, and employee. Okay. First, coming to the client, uh, you are working in some ABC organization. A client has been came to you and he actually want to contact with you to uh, tell you that he have create you want to create an incident. So you want to contact with you with the phone, but the phone is not connecting to you. So there is a self-service portal for the clients. So I already tell you about service portal. So these self-service portals will be used by the clients to develop and how to generate a incident and interface power users. So we can use how an individual can do it, like not only the group. It can be increased, it can be done by the individual. So for the client we can give that purpose of developing how he can individually go to the portals and develop his own incident or any problem. So used by the self-service portal. So this is actually how it is done. Like we can attach the automation process or self-service or improve efficiency, contribute to the significant cost saving in the IT operation. For organization, so how ServiceNow will use it, apart from automating tasks and workflows, it will actually focuses on how we can focuses on the strategic initiatives. Because when a problem has been occurred, organization will see the root cause, like who is the person appropriate person to check that root cause of that different problem. So one is that, another is cost effective. For example, the problem incident has been occurred, or Wi-Fi router is not working. So if we attach that workflow flow designer to that incident by taking that word like Wi-Fi is not working, it automatically send the mail to that particular associated person. So it will actually directly sending the notification to that person without wasting the time and the cost to sending the different person. So if we can attach that automation process, it will improve the efficiency and the cost effective too. So these are the for organization. And coming to the employee, like we are the employees, we can see the dashboards and the reports. Like if you go to the portal page, we can employ portal page. There is a dashboard will be available. So in that dashboard, we can see what are the incidents are associated with me and what are the works are associated with me. and what are the things which, for example, if an incident, yesterday an incident has been occurred, now you can see the status of that incident through the reports. So this is one thing which has been used by the employees too. So these three conditions, these three things will be come under the service now. Like one is the client perspective, another is organization perspective, and another one is employee perspective. So all three together combined, we can develop our business goals and improve our efficiency. So these are the things which are associated with the service now. And one last thing I have to teach. Okay, so I have told you about the modules, right? So there are actually, last time I have been recorded like 43 modules, but I think it has been like 47 modules. They are added some 4 modules extra. You can check it in the Google. Okay, so these are actually ITSM, ITOMs, HR, HRSD, and OTMs. There are more than 43, but presently we are concentrating on ITSM. So we will see this how actually ITSM will work. And coming to the database of the service now, do you have any idea on database of the service now, Jagdish?
No, Venkatesh.
No, okay, okay. Actually, it's Raptor DB, the new service now database. Because I'm giving the just example, like if you go any interview, they will ask this type question only. When you are perfectly fit for the developing part or administration part, they don't know what to ask another question on the service now. So they will see the background of whether you have been any you are whether activated in the communities or not, because these type of discussions will be done in the communities level. So it will actually help you. RaptorDB, the new service now database. Okay. Previously they use some MySQL or MariaDB, I think, but now they are using this one. And coming to the centers, ServiceNow center worldwide, it's Canadian, US, and Australia, Swiss. Okay, and coming to the India, it's only two things: Mumbai and Bangalore. So we are actually growing. I think next is Hyderabad also. Next one is coming to the Hyderabad. So this is actually a basic thing. Do you have any idea on PaaS, SaaS, Jagdish? Do you have any idea on PaaS, SaaS, like
Uh,
platform as a service, software as a service?
no, 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 no. It has been so many years for me for that.
Okay.
Uh,
Actually, you can check it out in your free time. Okay.
okay.
Okay, this will help you like how things going in the service now, because it's always a debate whether service now is come under PaaS or a SaaS. Okay, platform service or a software service, it is always a debate. You can, after implementing the service now, then only you can tell that which area it actually covers. So this is how actually things going to work on it. So one is complete. Have you created your own instance, Jagdish?
Yes, one instance is there, and it has been so many days, right? I think it is deleted. I need to create it again.
Oh, you have to create it again. Okay,
Yeah.
you better create 2 instances. Okay,
Okay.
it will help you to if maximum it's a free instance. So
Hmm.
service now sometimes yeah, they actually delete one of the instance, because if you don't use for the long time,
Yes.
it,
Yes.
it will be deleted from that from your main account. Then for second of, if that's why you have to maintain 2 accounts, that will help you to regain that one in the second account too. I
Okay.
will tell you that when it comes the update sets concept,
Okay.
how you will transfer the data from uh, transfer the configuration from one instance to other instance, and
Okay.
how you transfer the data to large files data to the service now by importing the sets. So it will come under all the things come under this thing. So I will tell you each and everything. So let's go to the instance first. So this is my one instance. Okay. So this is my another instance. If you see, the entire UI has been I changed. I will tell you how to change it. It's come under the styles and themes. Okay, it is actually not come under the ITSM. It is different concept like UI theme. So because you don't be confused which instance you are using. So that's why I have been changed the entire UI. This is actually basic UI which is given by the ServiceNow. This is I have changed to the blue color. You can go change to this also, like preferences is there. I think some themes have been you have to change. So here the theme is available, right? Here you can see the default theme and another theme will also will be there. So dark theme also will be there. So if you put it the dark theme, it will come under the black color. So it will use it. Try to use that one too, because it will help you to differentiate between the two instances. Okay. You told that you have been studied about basic about incident, right?
Yes, Venkatesh.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. Can you tell me like how you can? Uh, okay. What is the difference between actually form design and form layout? Can you tell me? You have done the form design, form layout, right?
Yes, it will
Yeah.
be like a, okay.
Whatever you know, tell me.
It will be like once again. Could you please open that form design form layout, because it will be like a interface, like a user
Yeah, yeah.
interface will be different
Yes,
for
yes.
the form design and form layout. So there will be a drag and drop options will be there in form design, I think so. Yes,
Okay.
here drag and drop options. You can do it from easily from this here. But
Okay.
in the form layout, you will get the out of box columns like this slash
Yes.
bucket.
Yes.
From here, you need to select and click on that right arrow mark.
Okay. This one.
Hmm. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
So you can remove it if you don't need from here selected.
Yes. Yes. Good. Good one. And apart from that, you can create a new field also. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Here you can create the new field.
Yes.
Don't go for necessary for the you for the tables directly.
Okay.
You can create it here also, so that it will save the time too. And it is actually an overview how actually incident form will look like. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. It's an overview. You can change here also by dragging and dropping. If you see, the fields have been available in the left side, so you can drag and drop too. Okay. And types also will be available, like what are the types, and if you want to create something new, you can will modify also here. Okay. You can change the field description type also, like if you go here, you can see what is actually the field name, what is the may things name, you can see, because this name will help you in the developing part. Okay.
Okay.
This short underscore description, this will help you in the developing part, like whenever you want to read a description, short description or a description part, you have to know about what actually its label name.
Okay.
Okay. It is actually label and what is actually name. So this name will be used in the that part. Okay. Okay, now tell me like how you are creating the incident. Like I got, you have got the mail like, please create an incident behalf of some XYZ caller. Okay, uh, the problem is like Wi-Fi is not working. So can you tell me like, and priority is high.
Okay.
So can you tell me like what are the possibilities?
I will go with the general process, which I'm doing currently.
Yeah. You can share it.
Yeah. Okay. I will go to the filter navigator and I will type new. Under instance, I will click on the create new. Then it will open a form, instant form.
Yes.
Yeah, there I will give the caller name.
Okay.
And as per our client client database, that caller name and details will be there. Like if you give the GUID, it
Okay.
will get the automatically the caller ID, email, and everything.
Okay.
So coming to the priority,
Okay.
here two parts will be there regarding the priority based on user role, like
Okay.
a director,
Yes. Yes.
uh, and other thing is based upon the issue which the
Okay.
user reached. So
Okay.
based upon that, we'll describe, and
Okay.
here we'll change the urgency impact.
Okay.
So it will go to the P1, 3 urgency will be high. Yes,
Yes.
P1. Yes. So configuration item will be based upon the KB knowledge base,
Okay.
and short description which the user mentioned,
Okay.
and
Like
description will be the same.
Wi-Fi
Like
is not working,
yes,
for
yes,
example.
yes, and description will be a brief brief one, like when and what, like that.
Okay. Okay. Some date, for example.
Hmm. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
And here
Uh,
we'll assign it to the group. We'll
okay.
attach the KB and
Okay.
we'll assign it to the group.
Okay. Uh,
And
taking consideration as a knowledge base, you are selecting the group, right?
yes, yes.
Can you tell me the category and subcategory, like what we should be?
Network and others.
Okay. Subcategory, wireless.
Wireless. Okay. Here
Okay.
wireless is there. Okay.
Okay. You can add the choice also. Okay, I
Hmm.
will tell you how you can add the choices. For
Okay.
example, in network there is no wireless. How can you add the choice? I will tell you that one.
Okay.
Okay, coming to assignment group or assign to, because I don't need to assign a group. I just want to assign to that particular person. Then how you will do it? Like you are selecting here and you are just doing that, right?
Yes. Search
Yeah,
for. We'll get
yeah,
the GUID or name will be there or email ID.
yes, yes. Based on that you are this actually the process is correct, but everything is correct. Based on category subcategory also you can select the assign to.
Yes.
Okay, that is actually assignment rule is also there, possibility are there.
Hmm.
You I think you heard about assignment rule, right?
Yes.
Yes. So based on that one, you can study about assignment rule. You can, based on category and subcategory, you will assign the two all assign to that particular person and the group too.
Okay.
Okay, and the caller is like, if you will see that if the caller is possible is there, that if any terms of, for example, Raja Rao will be there, if he will get it. This is actually how the developing part will work. See, after caller selecting, I just the caller email ID has been popped up.
Yes.
Okay, so this is one of the developing part will come, and this is one of the administration part also.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, it automatically came. Then I will okay select the okay. Then it will send the notification to that particular person.
Okay.
Okay, this is actually based on the automation process. Now I have one question.
Okay.
Based on the urgency and impact, how the priority has been coming. Like for example, I selected low, how it is changing. Here I selected low, how it is changing. So can you have any idea on it?
So priority, right?
Yeah, how the priority has been changing, because priority it is an a read only. You cannot change it. The priority one. So based on the high, based on the urgency and the impact only, priority is changing.
Yes.
So do you have any idea about it, like how it is going to changing? It is actually one of the main thing in the service now.
Okay, but we have
Yeah, try.
SLS, right? SLS, based upon that it will change.
SLA is not actually that one. SLA is
Okay.
something, for example, I will show you. For example, I am here saving it. Okay. I just saved it. Okay.
Okay.
After saving it, now SLA will start. Like for
Hmm.
example, if you come here, see SLS has been started. Okay. Here the SLA work will start. SLA is based on how fast you are reacting to that particular incident.
Okay.
Okay, here we have two SLAs. One is response, another is resolution.
Resolution.
These are two types actually. It is actually big concept. I will tell you later.
Okay.
Okay, keep in mind that based on the SLAs only, the business growth will be developed.
Okay.
Okay, how fast you are responding it, how fast you are resolving the incident. For example, the resolution time is, see, I have put it 1 hour. Okay, here you can see priority one resolution. I have been set it as a 1 hour.
Okay.
So within 1 hour, you have to complete the incident. So if what happened, the 1 hour has been crossed, then what will happen? I will show you that type, that one also in later classes.
Okay.
Okay, here the SLA is not the thing. Here you think about it. Think about it. Like uh, I think once a time when you are working on incident, the question will be arising in your mind, like how it is going on. So can you just think about it? I will tell you like what to study on it, but just think about it.
Could you please ask that question again, once again?
Like based on the urgency
Hmm.
and priority, how actually priority is changing. Like for example, I'm setting it in medium impact. How the priority is changing to high. If I'm setting to low impact, then how it is going to moderate. If
It
I'm setting urgency is low, then how it is going to planning.
it will be depend upon the issue and the person, right? And
Yes.
like see, if you only having facing the issue to connect the Wi-Fi, it will be a
Okay.
low.
Okay.
Like you can do it in within hours. Like if everyone in the industry is getting the same issue,
Yes.
it
Okay.
it is impacting their work,
Okay.
and deliverables will be affected, so it will
Okay.
be the high.
Yeah, that's actually correct.
Hmm.
Based on the criteria,
Hmm.
you can say that urgency we can set it, or impact we will set it. How large the impact has been going on.
Yes.
That's actually correct. That's not a thing. My
Okay.
question is based on these two things. Like I'm setting high. For example, a Wi-Fi has been broken. Okay, a network issues has been locked down, or a server is crashed. Now my urgency is high. Okay, my impact is also high. Now based on these two things, why priority is changing? I'm not changing the priority. You see,
Like a mean it is taking like an average.
yes, it's automatically taking,
Yeah.
right,
Yes.
based on these two things.
Yeah.
So what is the concept between these two things? That is I'm asking.
Okay.
Like if the relation between the urgency and impact is changing, why the priority is changing? So I'm asking that one.
Okay.
Do you have any idea on it, or
No. Could you please?
no? Okay, okay, don't worry about that. This is actually called priority data lookup table. Okay,
Okay.
based on the urgency and the impact, it is actually called priority data lookup. Okay, I will show you. This is actually one of the table I have been created. It is actually case system management. It's come under the CSM. Okay,
Okay.
same thing, same what are the fields are available in the incident, same fields will be there. Caller, category, subcategory, everything will be there. So if I selected high, here also high, then it is changing critical. Okay, it's not an incident table. Okay, the table name is case system management. You can see the left side corner, table name based on the medium, and urgency is medium. Now it is changing to moderate. Okay, this is actually how it is changing. There is a concept called lookup table. Okay, This lookup table actually help you to get the possibilities of everything, of urgency and impact. For example, there are three choices: high, medium, low, right? And here is the three choices: impact, high, medium, low. Three choices, three choices. So what are the probability? 3 into 3, 9 probability will be there. Okay. We have to set the every possibility. Like if this is high, if this is medium, then automatically it will be changed. If this is high, this is low, what will be do? It will be moderate. So I have to check every possibility. So that is come under actually lookup table. So this is how actually a lookup table will be seen. This is actually I have done for the case system management, but in incident, ServiceNow will give you by default. Why I'm teaching you? Because if you have come under developing part, the first case will be this only. If they told you that based on this thing, based on these two things, I have to change it. So you have to do like this only. So there are 9. I have told you 9 probabilities. So based on the 9 probabilities, this has been I created. Okay. So now today's work is you have to study about what is data lookup table. Okay. How data lookup table only study about the this thing only. Priority data lookup table only. How it is actually working on it. What are the things I have been working on it. Okay. First task. Second task is what are all the fields available in the incidents. How you are study about the incident. For the field type, you cannot go directly to the configuration. Okay, you cannot go to the configuration and study from the form layout. It will actually create some chaos, means you cannot understand directly in the fields from here only. You have to study this in the table. System definition table.
They are nearly
Okay,
6,000, right? Oh no, 7,000 it is.
which one? Yeah.
Yeah.
Total tables will be there. How you will search? You will directly search from this only. Okay,
Okay.
table incident. Okay, you can directly type. So which one is that? Our table is incident.
Instant.
Okay, you have to study this one also. What is incident task?
Okay.
Okay, what is incident? What is incident task? You have to study both the things. It will help you in the future actually.
Okay.
If you go this table, you will see fields are available here.
Yes.
Okay, I told you about the priority one, right? You can study the priority one also here. For example, I will show you. In the table, you can study about the priority also. So see here, problem priority data lookup means for the problem. Okay, priority case system, priority data lookup. Okay, this is the table which I am using here. Okay, if you go here, how they are coming, that is the question. Okay, if you see here, the extend tables are using. Okay, here we have one column called extend table. Here you can see data lookup matchup rule, matcher rules. This actually using that matchup. Okay, by this rule, based on the impact and urgency, the priority is changing. So this is how you should learn ServiceNow by step. Like first question, it should be arrived like how changing on the impact and urgency, how the priority is changing. Okay, if what happen if I don't use the priority based on the urgency impact only, we can do it. Do it based on the urgency and this one only we can proceed the incident or not. Is the possibilities are there? If not, what are the things should we will learn about it? So these are the things you have to discuss in your brain, so that it will give you a lot of questions, and by that questions only you will find the ways. So I will told you about what is priority data lookup table. This is just a 1%. Okay, Jagdish, this is only just a 1%.
Okay.
Like this is one table actually it has been extended. So what are the fields have been added? Impact, urgency. These two tables have been added. Okay, based on this two table only you can see the things coming under. So these are the things you have to look up it. You will get it in the community also or YouTube also. So it's not very much important, but at least you can. It is incident table is already full-fledgedly given by the ServiceNow, but in the background you have to study how it is actually working. So that
Yes.
will help you in the creating your own projects.
Okay.
Okay, this is one of the tasks, and second task is how actually what are the fields are available. Okay, you have to study the fields too. Why these fields are available, and all what are the types also you have to learn. For example, I will then types you have to study here. Okay, what is reference type, what is document ID, what is integer type, what is date
Okay.
and time. Okay, string. Because when you study about the service catalog, this type will help you.
Okay.
Okay, service catalog means creating a service request. It will help you to create from this side.
Okay.
Okay, so that is the reason you have to study about the type also. And what is the column name? Like if I problem is the column label, then what is the why it is coming under problem ID? Can we
Underscore ID.
change it
Okay.
under? Can we change it? If not, why not? So you have to just search on it, research on it. Don't go deep on it. Just research on it. It will help you how to uh, in the making of implementation part in the advanced or a developing part. It will help you
Okay.
actually what are the things, and uh, you have to study on it. And another main thing is what is sysid. Okay, sysid is actually if you see this is an incident. Every incident or every table has some unique identification which is called as sysid. For
Yes.
example, this is the sysid of this one. Okay, where you can see the sysid. If you see this url, you can see here the sysid is here. Okay, have you seen here url?
Yes.
Okay, this is an sysid. This sysid actually used in different format. Okay, for integration type, or you want to change the particular configuration to that sysid incident only, you can use the sysid.
Okay.
Okay, if you are creating one incident here in the instance one, it automatically want to create in the incident two. Okay, you can use it through the incident sysid also. I will show you like that. I will show you one thing. I think I have stopped that one. I will see. This is an another instance. Okay, this is one instance. This is another instance. I'm working on another instance. See, I have created one incident in the instance A. What is the incident? Wi-Fi is not working. Okay, short description. I have integrated this incident instance to this instance. It automatically created the incident here too. See, Wi-Fi is not working, and we have set up the category network and a subcategory wireless. Why the caller name didn't pop up? You know, because here Raja Rao is the person who has been caller. In this instance, Raja Rao was not saved, so that's why it has been not pop up. So this is one of the integration project type. Like if you create one incident in the here in one instance, it automatically created in another instance. So this is one of the project. So in coming classes, you will learn about more on the project. So don't worry about it. Okay, I will tell you everything. So can you tell me about your background? Like where are you? Where are you from? Uh, what do you have studied?
Okay. Actually, I'm from Karapa, Andhra Pradesh.
Your voice is not clarity. I think some disturbance is coming. Yeah.
Is it okay now?
Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, I'm from Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh. I did my BTech in Anavacharya. It is also in Kadapa. And now I'm working in TCS in Bangalore.
Okay. How many? You have any siblings, or you are the only child?
I'm the only child.
Okay, you are the only child. Okay. Yeah, myself actually Venkatesh. Okay, I am from Visakhapatnam.
Hmm.
I pursue my up to 10th class. I studied in Kendriya Vidyalaya IIT Kharagpur. After that, I came here in Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam. I completed my BTech in Miracle Engineering College, Vijayanagar.
Okay.
And I started my career in IT actually in 2020.
Hmm.
Okay, I have 5 years experience in the service now only because I started my career in the service now only.
Okay.
Presently, I'm working in the Start IT Now company, which is located in the Bangalore,
Hmm.
and my role is to develop the things which has been given by my manager, and I have to complete my tasks within the period of the time. Now I'm leading one of the project with my teammates. It's actually entirely an integration project.
Okay.
Okay, so this is my overall career on my IT sector and my background too.
So you're staying in Bangalore?
Uh, you can tell me?
Uh, are you staying in Bangalore or Visakhapatnam?
No, I'm staying in Visakhapatnam only.
Okay.
My company is very small company, small organization. It's a startup type life. It has been started in 2018 actually.
Okay.
So after that, I got the opportunity to work with them. Now I'm full-fledged working on with them on the service now only.
Great.
So tomorrow same time, okay, 1:30.
Yeah, sure. Sure.
Tomorrow you have to complete the tasks. First, I will check the task. What are you studied about it?
Okay.
And after that, we will continue with the classes.
Okay.
What are the implementations? What are the lists? What are the views? So we will go one by one. I don't want to hurry up. I just go on the slow process. Okay. After that, because we go in a hurry, no, you cannot catch all the things which actually required in the service now in the broader perspective.
Okay.
Okay, so I cannot, for my benefit, I can skip the classes or I can go for the hurry, but I just don't want like that. I just want to go calm and a slow pace so that we can understand everything in the service now. So try to make your own instance. Okay.
Sure.
Try to make an account in the ServiceNow community. I think same thing I will show you how actually ServiceNow community will work. Once I will show you, you will definitely get it. So this is my ServiceNow community. Okay, welcome to the ServiceNow community. So see how many peoples are there in the online present. There are 33,000. So like 34,000. Okay, these are the members and these are the posts. Okay, you can search, like if you don't get the you stuck on one of the project, like for example you have been stuck on the topic called UI policy. If you search it, you will get it how actually US policy, how many posts are there on based on the UI policies. Okay, so if you see hello community, hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to share some UI policy with some examples. Hope it will help you. So if you open it, then it will show what are the UI policies. And if you open this one, UI policies and data policy, it will help you to communicate with them, and you try to implement on your instance. Okay, so this is how actually community will work. Okay, the same thing, same login only you will use it. Same login you will use it. So this will actually help you to communicate with the different things. If you ask any questions, you just your type here, ask the community. You go here. The subject is based on which subject. For example, it's a developing part or administration. Select a board. Like if you want which board, which actually which board you want to know. Okay, you can select based on your criteria. You can ask your questions. Like if you want to ask any questions, you can type here. Apart from that, if you want to, you don't means you don't know how to ask a question, you can attach a screenshot also. Okay, here you can see drag and drop. Here you can attach a screenshot, and here you can ask the question like, this table, for example, this table, this number is not popping up, how can you do it? So they will give some suggestions also. Based on that, you can see, you will get different types of answers, not only one. You can get a different types of answers. Based on these answers, you can implement on your form. After that, it will help you to regain it. And after the solution has been come to you, if the solution is suitable to that your question, then you have to give the some badge type, like you have to give mark type, like answer is correct. Okay, because that will help you to the others also. Okay, Jagdish, so this is for today. I have given you the task, so please complete by tomorrow.
Okay.
We will
So
start
what
the
about the
class
recording
on
session?
Yes, yes.
So what about the recording session? When I will get that?
Recording I will send you by night.
Okay. Is there
Okay.
any total see tech part and some domain is there, right? So in that domain I need to get that, or in the drive I will get that.
I'm sorry, Jagdish, you are not audible. Actually, some voice is coming whenever you are speaking.
Okay. Now it is clear.
No, it's not clear. It's not clear.
Okay.
Previously, it was clear. Initial time, it was clear. Now, it's some
Okay.
disturbance is coming.
Okay. I don't know what it is. One second. Now?
No, actually, the voice actually basis has been increased totally. So it's actually, cracking sounds have been coming whenever you are. I think change that setup music setup of you know mic type.
Sure, sure. I will do it. Okay, but the thing that I want to ask you is these recordings will be there in a drive, like a Google Drive, or in the domain.
I will try to give it in the Google Drive only, but my Google Drive is completely full.
Okay.
Okay, so I just want to share the video directly if possible. Okay.
Okay.
You can send me the one WhatsApp message through my number. Hi, this is Jagdish.
Okay,
So
sure.
I can send you directly, or I will post it in the group. I think I will directly send to you.
Sure.
Okay. So that's for today, Jagdish. I told you about the fields, right? Incident fields.
Yes,
You
yes.
better make it like this. Okay. See, for incident, this is the database column, type and dependency.
Okay.
Okay. Is visible, right?
Yes, yes.
Make a Excel sheet, like what is the number is the database name is number, what is the type string, caller, what is the database or column name, it's a caller underscore id, reference, which reference, it is depending on the companies, because
Okay.
company users, all the users will come, no?
Yes.
So that's how you will take it. State, what is the database name, state, what is the type, integer. So you better made it like this. Okay. It will actually generally will get the idea what are the types will be available in in the table actually.
Okay. So
Okay.
I can see daily we'll see the incidents, right, in
Yes,
my
yes,
work. So I can go with that. I mean, there itself it will be a
yes,
back
yes,
number will be 90, ninety
yes,
six
yes.
like that. Okay.
Okay. Okay, you are saying the numbers.
Yes.
Yes,
I
okay.
mean list like
Okay,
here
okay, I
it is
got it, I got it. Make it for the problem and change also. Okay.
problem.
Problem table and change table, you better write in single one, because all the number, caller, state, all the get it, all the fields are same in
Okay.
every
Incident.
yes, every table, like change
Okay.
table or problem table. So it's better to take it like that, huh?
Okay. Sure. Sure.
This is actually help you in the service catalog, because I am teaching you not in the point of administrative, but in the point of developer role. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Administration is very small part. You
Mm.
can, if you can easily get the what is the flow, you can easily get it how actually administration works.
Okay.
Because I used to work administration part only in 1 year of my entire service.
Oh, okay.
After that, I fortunately or unfortunately get the opportunity to work with the developing team.
Mhm.
Then I started with the accommodate with the architect team. So
Okay.
how I get the opportunity, that's how I get the opportunity to work on it.
Okay.
Okay, so that's why administration part is, I will teach how you have to deal with the administration part.
Sure.
Remaining you will do it because you already started about things, right?
Yes.
Like what is incident, all these things.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So today we will go for the incident management, okay, modules. So let's for the basic like what is incident, problem, change, service request management, service level agreement. Can you give a brief idea about what is incident? How do you incident management works?
Incident management. Incident means generally we'll categorize like the interruption to the usual works.
Yes.
So for that, the user will contact us like a L1 team,
Yes.
or they can raise a ticket from the self-service portal.
Okay.
Once the ticket is raised, it is assigned to one group, and then it will assign to the person.
Okay.
So it will make the changes into work in progress, and there is the user.
Okay.
If there is a fix, permanent fix, like in within a span of minutes,
Okay.
hours, they will reach the user and try to fix it. And if the user is okay with the fix, we can we can mark it as resolved and close. Or if the user want to monitor that, we can pen the ticket upon the user confirmation,
Okay.
and then we get the confirmation and we can close that.
Yes. Yeah, this is how actually an incident management work.
Mhm.
If the interviewer will ask about what is incident, then what will be your answer?
Um, like incident means mhm.
Try to get it the you what you have been said is it's correct.
Okay.
Try to get it the form like you are saying that is a you are saying about the total management like how the
Yes.
incident will
Yes.
be
Yes.
covered, right? You get the words from that, you will get it what is incident actually.
Okay. Like that I said, incident is interruption to the normal work.
Yes,
So
yes,
graded the ticket
yes.
like that it is.
You have said the correct thing, but
Mm.
in interview point of view, the interviewer always see for the broader aspect. Okay,
Okay. Yes.
so the answer should be very simple, but at the same time, it should be how you are approaching also. See,
Okay.
this is the answer actually. Any kind of an event occurs into your application and causes impact in your business application is called incident.
Okay.
Okay, it is the short form of incident.
Mhm.
Uh, Basically you can say that any interruption which occurs in the business application or any impact that would be in the businesses is called an incident. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, for example, the power shortage, wi-fi disconnection,
Yes.
uh, these are the examples. What
Okay.
is the incident management means? Incident management is a process that aims to restore normal services operation as quick as possible. Why we are using as quick as possible? Because every second is countable in the business. Okay, that's
Okay.
why we have to use this one, and that will minimize the impact on the business operation. Okay, these business operations are very important in point of view the SLS. Okay,
Okay.
service level management.
Mm.
This is the very important topic with comparing to the business.
Okay.
Okay, and coming to the problem, whenever we get any problem, not in the incident, not in the saying of the software, let's take into the life. Okay, we just sit in the room and we will think about that how the problem is coming, right? So this is also same, we have to go for the root cause. Okay, but how can we consider it is a problem? Basically, when incidents are occurring similar kind of issues from multiple peoples or the same category, we consider as a problem. For example, there is a company called XYZ and there are 10 people are complaining with the same category, and the category should be anything network, okay, or anything which has been in the category list. So that is called a problem. that problem will be seen by investigating the root cause. So that is actually how problem management works. Going into the root to take out the real problem, and they have to sort out from the root cause only. Then only the problem will be rectified. Okay, and the goal is also same as an incident: identify, eliminate the root cause of recurring issues to prevent them from happening again. It focuses on finding permanent solution rather than just fixing. So this is an important thing. Rather than a fixing, we have to see the permanent cause. Do you have any idea about change management? Like what is change? What is change management? Yeah, Jagdish. Jagdish. Yeah, Jagdish. Are you there?
There's a power cut
Okay,
suddenly.
okay,
I connected to mobile hotspot. Not a problem.
okay, okay. Do you have any idea about change management?
Change. Usually the change we'll do it for the application.
Yes,
Application.
sir.
Yes. There is a separate team who is taking care of that, but the process is there. We'll raise a change request,
Yes,
and it will go for the cab approval.
yes,
Then only it will go for the further process. If
yes,
they
yes,
approve, we can make the changes. And in change also there is emergency
yes,
change
yes. Very good,
request,
very good.
normal change request, like that it will be.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I
Yeah,
know about.
actually, yeah, that's how you are approaching the change. That's actually very good that you have a basic idea on the change.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, we can put it in the words like change management provides a systematic approach to control the life cycle of all the changes. Okay.
Okay.
Facilitate benefits changes to be made with the minimum disruption to the IT services. This is the main thing. Because when you are changing something, it should be changed that particular cause only. It cannot be disturbed to the other things.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
even the approvals also, even the giving the notifications also, we have to be stick to that particular thing. We can take the example like a problem ticket was created and resolved by the resetting the circuit breaker up to prevent future issues, and electrical system upgrade is required. This will be managed through a change request only, because you have to change that one, right? That
Yes.
electrical says. So this is how. Yeah, have you say you already said that types of changes like standard, emergency, and normal.
Mhm.
Standard is a pre-approved,
Okay.
so it's actually organization uses very less this type of change, standard change. Maximum organization will use this emergency and normal. Okay,
Okay.
because this is already pre-approved, so uh, standard changes will be occur very less, because already the knowledge base has been novice has been coming into the market. So from knowledge base only it will complete the entire process. So coming to the emergency and normal, these are things should you have to keep in your mind. Okay, I will tell you that how you have to approach it.
Okay.
Okay, but keeping in this mind, you can start the preparation also for this. Okay,
Okay.
it's actually low risk. Like standard one is low risk, like so any software update is needed. Okay, here actually high priority issues in emergency implement as soon as, because whenever an emergency has been come, no, they have to review one meeting. Then after that meeting, they have to get back into their works. Like server crash, because when the server has been crashed, the entire system will be collapsed.
Yes.
So yeah, then normal is something like required complete assessment and approvals, because here chain system is very big in normal. We have to approve one by one, then only it will get the correct notes. After completing of the notes, you have to close the ticket, and the entire change will be completed, like network upgrade, like that. Okay.
Okay.
Here actually we can see the process like create, review, evaluation, approval, implement, and validate. And there are some more will be there. Okay, some just a minute. Some more will be there, like in normal, for example, we have authorization and scheduled. Okay, In emergency, there will be a implement, review, close, everything will be there. And in standard will be new schedule, implement, review and close. Nothing evaluation approvals will be not there, because in standard it's already a pre-approved. So
Okay.
okay, so this is how it works. I will show you everything, I will show you on the instance. But
Okay.
before that, I want to give one gist of it. And coming to the service request, service request is a, any request has been raised by through the portal, or
Hmm.
directly from the website only, or directly from the request table only, to get what actually the customer or any employee or any client are needed.
Yeah.
So this
This
is
is
actually,
RATM, right?
yes, yes.
Okay.
This is actually how it works. Like automate standardized request process to increase efficiency, to provide visibility into request status and fulfillment type. Okay, because to raise a request is okay, but to complete the process we need a goal. That is
Yes.
the goal actually.
Okay.
Okay, this is, you see the flow, like request creation. After request is creating, we are giving some approval. After giving approval, a fulfillment team will fulfill the complete the process. After completing the process, confirmation will be done. After confirmation, the closure, the request table will be closed.
Okay.
Okay, this is actually how cycle will be done. This is the after approval to complete and confirmation. Here the whole entire system will be depends on how you are dealing it. Okay,
Okay.
these three things are very important, from approval to completion and confirmation. After request creation, creating the request is not a big deal, but from request approval to completion of confirmation is very, you have to be very strong in this particular area, because here you need approvals, notifications, scripting part, everything come under these three things.
Okay.
Okay. And last one is service level management. Here we can see three things: SLS, OLS, and UP. SLS as service level agreement. It's basically set of agreement between service provider and customer. This is the main thing I have told you about the business growth, right? In
Yes.
incident management. So this is the thing, because uh, I am a ABC company and you are client to me, and
Okay.
we done agreement between us, like if an incident will be raised, okay, I will resolve in 5 hours. This is the agreement we have done.
Hmm.
Okay, so, and you will ask me, sir, it's okay, you will resolve in 5 hours, what is the response time? Means I am raising an incident, but you have to response it, right?
Yes.
If I'm getting a some incident in my business organization, then how can you resolve it or response it? What time you will response it? So this is an agreement between both of us. Okay, like internet issue, for example. Coming to the OLA and the UP cannot come under the service, actually service now. It actually deals with the directly deals with the organization, because you are the only person in the organization, you have to deal with that particular client point of view only.
Okay.
But here actually something has been added in the service now, after, because so many third parties are coming. Okay, so many support teams are collaborating, so that is the reason OLA will also come. It is an internal agreement between the support teams within the organization. For example, uh, there is a support team, there is a developing team, and there is another team. So we teams have been come onto an agreement that we have to, resolve this task as soon as possible. So that is a different level. So collaboration between service desk and network team. So this is something, unique feature in service now. Coming to the underpinning is an third party activity. For example, uh, internet issues has been came, you have been raised the ticket. This is an SLA for me,
Okay.
and I have different teams with the internet issues. Okay, I have collaborated with that teams. That is OLA for me. Okay, now coming to the UP underpinning. Now we decided that, okay, this particular internet service which is providing is the third party. Okay, which is not come under your presence, but it's come under my presence. So
Okay. Like.
what I will do, yeah, what I will do, I will call that particular person and I started the fixing. So I have deal with that particular person. So that is called an extra underpinning. It is an agreement between organization and third-party service provider.
Okay.
It must ensure the third-party vendor align with SLS and OLS. I will tell you that this person has been come and sort out the problem. Okay. After that problem is resolved, this person calls you and tell you, sir, will you check the internet? Is it working or not? After checking that, you will tell that yeah, it's working.
Okay,
So
like
this is how, this is
vendor
how.
ticket, right?
Yes.
Okay.
This is how the third party is dealing with you, but
Mm.
actually main is connecting with me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is actually underpinning.
Okay.
So this is actually an interview question, like what is service level management? Can you explain that? You have to
Okay.
say these three things: SLS, OLS, and underpinning. Okay, then they will ask you, can you give any example for SLA, OLA, and you underpinning? So you better take an internet one or like that. So you can say all the things which have been used here.
Okay.
Okay.
The three things, right?
Yeah, the three things.
Mm. Sure.
Uh, you better note it down, and after that class, you should research on more on it. You will get some basic idea on it.
Sorry, it is reconnecting. Could you please repeat it? Ah,
You better note some points like, right. So
okay.
it will help you to give the interview best from your side, and it will help you to elaborate more, because this is very limited. I'm giving the knowledge to you,
Hmm.
because these are only used to in the some of the application parts only, not all. because
Okay.
because when any client is dealing with you, then only the SLS will come under the picture.
Yes, yes.
Okay, otherwise you have to maintain your own thing.
Okay.
So that's why you better make a notes on it.
Okay,
uh,
sure.
yeah.
Just a question, like any like a workbook, will you share with me, like for the task you will assign, the explanation you did on the topic?
workbook no need of workbook, because
Okay.
I will directly see in your instance only.
Okay.
Because if I'm see presently I'm given only three tasks. Okay,
Mhm.
that three tasks are just for the for your knowledge, like how you are exploring it.
Okay.
From today onwards, the real task will be started in your instance only, because that day
Sure.
your instance has been not created.
Hmm.
So that's why I have been not started yet, but today I will start it.
Okay.
Okay, so these are the basic things from the modules. Okay, these are, we will cover the administration part in the these three five things,
Hmm.
and developing part also.
Okay.
Okay, so coming to the next one, main thing you have to see is the foundations in the service now. Okay, every organization, whichever it follows the service now, okay, they actually maintain a table called user table. This is the user table, and you have to remember the table name also. Okay, here actually users, but coming to the table name, it is actually sys underscore user.
Hmm.
Okay, you have to remember this name also, because whenever an interviewer will ask the question, you have to say with the user name, user table name.
Okay.
Okay, sys underscore user, sys underscore group, like you have groups also. I will show you. So sys underscore user underscore group, you have to tell this name. Okay, you can't directly tell the group name. You can
Okay.
use this only. Why? Because in coming classes you have to write the scripting.
Okay.
In scripting part, you have to update some of the tables. So when you are updating some of the tables, you have to write this table name only. You cannot just directly write the groups, users, like that,
Hmm. Okay.
because this is the table name. You have to update that particular table. Okay. So coming to this one, this is actually main thing, foundation part. We are coming in. Every organization have some employees. Okay, that employees, if they are using the service now, that employees all will be stored in this sys underscore user. Okay. Or if there is no they are not using the employees in this user yeah, employees names in this user table, they will use this user table as a client's user. Okay. For example, you are my client.
Okay.
I will store your profile here in my user table. Like for example, I have here, you will go for the new, whenever you have to write a new one, you have to go for the new button there. For example, your name is Jagdish, right?
Yes.
Is this correct spelling?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Jagdish, you have, what is your initial?
Yes.
S.
Yeah.
Okay. Jagdish dot S. What is S? Sane. SNE.
Yes.
SNE. So I have created one ID, Jagdish dot Sane. So here my first name is Jagdish, right?
Hmm.
And last name is Sane.
Yeah.
Okay. Name you can write anything.
Hmm.
Just it is a reference one. Okay. Title you can give it anything. Department, for example, you are client to me and you are the department, for example, uh, developing part. Okay.
Okay.
I will set it as a department. Now I will create your you tell me your for example, sane at the rate of gmail.com. Okay.
Okay.
This is your email ID. For instance, just for an example, I have to
Yeah.
get it. Okay.
Okay.
uh, this is actually how it's look. Okay. uh, if this is the you are the employee of my company, for example, then you will have the manager also, right?
Yes.
So I will use this manager. For example, your manager is some MS Dhoni, I have put it.
Okay.
Location, some any location you can use it. You can use this location. For example, you are from India, so you can see where it is actually India. India, you can use this India. Okay.
Okay.
Then you have to save it. Okay. This is the minimum requirement things. Okay. You just save it. You have created one of the user. See, primarily email device created for Jagdish. So this is actually used for this service now only. It cannot send the particular email to that particular person because this is a free instance, right?
Yes.
This free instance cannot be sent to that particular. So you just kept it as an example only. So this is how actually it has been created.
Okay.
If you see, if you go here, same table, you have been created with user ID, with name. Okay. And email, location, develop, what is the department, who is your manager, and you are active. When it has been created, the date is also given. Okay.
Okay.
This is actually an update set. This is actually this entire thing is called a list. Okay.
Hmm.
This is actually list. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is all our list. How many users are there? There are 650, 655 users are there. So now my question is, can you define what is table?
Table.
Yes.
A table. Generally, the table inside that like incident will be there, right?
No, no. Generally, tell me what is table, because this is one of the table. User is one of the table.
Hmm.
Okay. Group is another table.
Yes.
So I'm just asking what is table in your point of view. Just try to explain it now. Only I told you, no.
Set
So
of
just
columns and rows.
yes,
Generally.
yes. That is good. Very good. Yes, that is very good. And try to give in a broader perspective.
Hmm. It is a set of fields and
uh, Keep it mind
but
in set of fields. I will discuss
it
it in another thing, another
okay.
concept. Okay, that is correct, but not in this concept,
Okay.
not in the
That
table
will be
concept.
in incident. It will be correct, right?
Yeah,
Fields.
incident is correct,
Yeah.
but
Yes.
now just uh, don't take incident in your mind.
Okay. Okay.
Just take example as an incident, but don't take it in the broader aspect.
Okay.
I will tell you what is table means. It is the list of collection of all the records.
Hmm.
Okay. Here Jagdish Sen is one record. Ramesh.Rao is one record. Virat.Kohli is another record. So these are all the records. It is the list of all the records. How many lists are there? 655 lists are there. What you have been said is correct. It is a set of columns and rows
Hmm.
which insist lists of records.
Okay.
This is how we have to say in the interview.
Sure.
Now you have been saying that fields, right? I
Yes.
have told that's another concept. Fields concept will come when we'll discuss about form.
Okay.
This is a form.
Yes.
Okay. When anyone will be say no, what is form? Describe it. Then you have to say the set of fields which describes that particular record.
Okay.
This is a particular record. Jagdish Sen is a particular record. The set of fields which describes his what actually he is. Okay, his name, his everything. This is one of the record, and in this record it describes everything. So this is how you have to say in the interview perspective. Okay, I think you got it right.
Yes. Yes, Venkatesh.
Yeah. Okay. Then coming to, I think you got how you have to create the uh,
Users.
users. You
Yes.
have got the idea.
Yes.
Yes.
The user ID is generally good, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now you have to create. Take the assignment. You
Sure.
have to take. You have to create 15 users. Okay, with different names, different Gmail IDs. Okay, you have to take the 50. You have to take the assignment as 15. You create 15 users, 1 5, because these users will be help in the different projects actually.
Okay. Okay, Venkatesh. That password column is there, right? And
Yes, yes, I will describe it that one also.
okay. Okay.
Okay, this password is like something big concept. Uh, that is actually how you have to generate the password. For example, you have to set the one password for this particular person because already user ID is there. You have to only set the password. So here you can take set password. You can see here the button, right? You can see here the button set
Yes.
password.
Yes.
You can click it set password and you can use it generate.
Yeah.
So here the password has been generated. You have to first copy this one. Okay.
Okay.
You have to paste it in any notepad because this will actually help you when the sometimes the old password they will ask, so that time this will help you. If you create a new one it will be okay. I will show how to create that one also. This is how you generate it. And if you see, I will just click the save password. You will see here what is happening. Okay, this part I just click save password. See, the password has been came here. This is visible, right?
Yes.
Yes. Now it has been saved. Now you have to close this one. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have to, password needs reset. Okay. See, user will be promoted to change password at next login. I
Yes.
don't want to, uh, see this person as next login. So I just removed it. Now you have to give some different password here. Uh, See, make note, you cannot use the word same words, okay? Here
Yes.
in the password, and you cannot use the sequence number like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like that.
Okay.
Okay, I will try to give some password. Then I updated it. Now it has been updated. If anything will become no, then it will be problem here. It will come some signal like the
Like requirement not met.
requirement, like
Yes.
error type.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, now it has been created. Now let's check that whether it is created or not. Okay,
Okay.
I try to log out because something it's very big concept. We cannot go this by single thing. So it has been created. We logged in. So this is how actually you have to set up the password, and you have to change the password. Okay, so here the name Jagdish Sen.
Yes.
Okay, this is how actually it will works. You get the point, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now you have to make the 15
Sure.
users, and for the 15 users for 15 different passwords.
Okay.
And now this password is not required. Okay, why I have been saved here? Because sometimes it asks the previous password.
Okay.
That's why I have been saved here. You got the idea, right?
Yes.
Yeah. See, here I log out, right? You cannot change make changes here because you already logged out. Because these are the things you have been opened from that login. You cannot change the things here in this sys user table. Okay, sys user group table.
Okay.
Okay, because you already logged out. So again I logged in. Now you should refresh this one because you have been logged in, right? So you have to refresh these things. How many things you have been opened? You have to all refresh it. So this is how you have to create. Where is it? Yeah. So user table sys underscore user. Okay. This is see, you have to prepare document like this only. Okay. In any notepad or anything, so that it will be remember you whenever you haven't done anything new, you will get any confusion, so you will check from your document. Okay, Jagdish.
Yes,
Yes.
Venkatesh.
So this will help you in the future. Actually, I will explain you how. Whenever you get any stuck in one of the problem, no, you will easily go to the document. You cannot open again and again the YouTube channels. So it
Okay.
will directly help you from this. So you got an idea like how you will open the user table. You have to
Yes.
go
Yes.
the user table like this. Whenever the user has been you want to create, you have to go for new year. Okay, after clicking on the new, you have to complete some of the fields like user id, first name, last name, and email id. These four things are very necessary. After this you have to save it. How to set up the password I have told you. After
Yes.
creating that one, you can change it. Okay, now coming to the groups. Groups are very important in the service now, because in incident, in incidents, whenever incident is created, we are assigning some of the incident to the particular groups, right?
Yes.
For this groups, you have to create the groups. Okay, here the groups, take as an command center group. Command center group. So
Okay.
this is actually a command center group. How after saving the group, how it looks, it will be look like this. Okay, Here I wrote the command center group. You can set up the Gmail ID also. You can set up the group manager also. I didn't set it. I just kept it as a empty. So you can set it. So after that, you have to add the members for it. How can you add it? I will show you. First, I will create one of the group. First, I will create one of the group. Okay. From here, you have to go for the new same process. The group name will be, for example, uh, tech mint. Okay, the group name. Okay, just saving it. After that, after saving this, some related tables will become. Okay, here you can add the members. Okay, group members you are visible, right?
Yes.
So you will add the existing members. You want to add the existing number, you have to go for the edit. If you want to create the new members, you have to go for the new.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going for the existing one. So here the names will become. Okay, here I will go for the Jagadish. And Virat. So I'm adding 2 members.
Okay.
So this is how actually it works. Okay. If you see, I'm just don't want to confuse you, but this is one of the most important topic here. If you see, if you open this one, if you want to see how many members are present in this particular group, here you are seeing, right?
Yes.
Here it is visible. But sometimes the interviewer will ask you which table the group members will be stored in that particular group. Then you have to see this table, sys user gr member.
Okay.
Okay, this is one of the important topic. I will tell you when scripting will become.
Okay.
Okay, because you have to retrieve the group members from the gr member table. There are some conditions in coming sessions, like only this group member can access that incident.
Yeah, access control.
Yes. Then you have to remember this table name, because from this table only you are setting, right?
Yes.
So then you have to take this table name, name. Then you have to access this 2 fields, like group and users.
Okay.
Okay. So that for that conditions time, you have to remember this table name. Now you understand why the table name is very important.
Yes.
So this is how actually things going to work. Now you have added 2 members. Okay, take the assignment, create 6 groups.
Okay.
And group names should be, one group is hardware group. Okay, another is software.
Okay.
You are writing, right?
Yes. Yes. Noting.
Okay. One is software, and other is finance. Another is admin. Admin department.
Okay.
How many? 3, 4.
4.
4, right? Last one is service provider.
Service provider.
Okay.
Okay.
You have to make 5 groups. Okay.
Okay.
And try to make it another 2 groups, like command center. One group is command center.
Okay.
And another is like finance or any another group.
Okay.
These 2 groups will be used in the coming classes.
Okay.
Remaining one will also come in the project. That's why I'm trying to make it now only.
Okay. Actually, for us, it will be like group name will be like US IT desktop
Yes.
support.
Yeah,
So,
I just want to simplify the things. That's
okay.
why I don't want to go into directly into the
Yeah.
IT.
Yeah. Maybe they based on territories, that is a client requirement.
Yeah. Yeah. Depends on the clients only.
Yes.
You can make it.
Yeah.
Okay, so this
Okay.
is how actually group will be done. And yeah, groups also completed. How you should make a group. Okay, here how you have to make, if you set the one of the manager to that team, group teams, and how it will be used. So
Okay.
you have to explore these things. Okay, try to set up two managers to that particular groups. Okay, meaning
Okay.
two particular groups. How it will work in future classes we will see.
Okay.
Okay, because if any incident will be assigned to that particular group, is manager will get the notification or group member will get the notification? You have to see that one.
Okay.
Okay, if not manager, then how the groups will be response? Okay, these are the things you have to keep into your mind.
Okay.
Okay. So this is how actually it works. I told you that how you should add the members. Okay, by editing, you want to existing users, you have to go for the edit, or if you want to the new user, you have to go for the new thing. Okay, here actually how it works. Coming to the roles are very important. Okay, roles are very much important in the service now or any organization. See, roles are come under this table actually. uh, you will see that after user, you should evaluate the roles, because which role is selected to that particular person or a particular group, then only they will, you can check the authority levels. Okay,
Okay.
roles, you can see one of the authority which that particular person can access. Okay, here actually majorly we will talk about three roles. One is admin, one is ITIL, and another is ITIL admin.
Okay.
Okay. Now the question will be come to you. What is the difference between admin and ITL? Can you describe it?
Uh, Admin, admin who will create, generally admin work is the who will create that users
Yes.
and these groups and all.
Okay.
But ITLL is the service, right? And when it come to ticket, like as per our knowledge, because some ticket will be created from our end.
Yes. Yes.
For user work notes will be there. Those
Yes.
are done by our
Yes.
side who is supporting.
Yes.
If the user has ITIL access, that role is assigned to them, they are
Okay.
able to see those work notes. If it
Yes.
is not assigned, they are unable to see work notes. Only they are able to see customer comments and the additional notes we added, like a
Yes.
mail, it will go.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, that is the thing I know.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Whatever you have say, it's correct actually.
Hmm.
Okay. Here actually you can see sys user role. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Here you can see users and groups. Okay.
Yes.
In this only roles will be described, like which role is actually associated to that particular person.
Okay.
Okay, like for example, see here admin role, you can see the system administration role. This role is access to all the, you can see the what is actually description here.
Yes.
Okay, in these things, again another thing is there, but I don't think is actually coming to. You can see all the roles are here only. Okay, now I will tell you the difference actually. What is role, what is ITL role and admin role?
Admin.
ITL role actually generally it create and update incident. Okay, like for example, if incident has been created, you want to create an incident. If you have an ITL role, then only you can create the incident.
Yes.
If you have an ITL role, then only you can update the incident thing. incident ticket. You can reassign the tickets in ITL role. You can add work notes, resolve and close the incident.
Okay.
These are the things you can do in the ITL role. But coming to the admin is something superior coming to the ITL. See, I am as an admin, if you see, I have an admin role, right?
Yes.
System administration. But you can see I'm modifying the ticket also by configuration of the tickets. Like for example, I will see here. Some tickets are there. I just want to delete some of the tickets. So here I just want to delete it. Okay, delete the record. So here I deleted the record. This one, 145. So 145 has been gone. But ITL rule cannot be done this time. He can only create or update the ticket. Okay,
Yes.
he don't have the opportunity to work on the deletion part. If ITIL admin, if I have the role of ITIL admin, okay, ITL role is different, ITIL admin role is different. You
Okay.
can note, you can take the assignment as this. What is the difference between ITIL and ITIL admin? Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow I want to know an answer about this. If I am the admin, I am just not only modifying the incident part, but I am modifying the roles. Okay, I'm modifying the groups. I'm modifying the users also.
Okay.
Okay, and not only this, I'm modifying the layouts also of incidents or different things. Okay,
Okay.
I can use the business rules for automation process as an admin, update ACLs and install plugins where new plugins have been required. I can install it, manage update sets and system properties. So entire system is under the admin only. So this is the main difference of ITIL and admin.
Okay.
Okay, you can put it like that.
Hmm.
Okay, now coming to things, I will show you. Yeah, coming to the things. Now this, I want this Jagdish Sen has to be put an ITL. How can I put it? Here already system defaultly given some of the role. Okay,
Yes.
so it will be there, but I want to set up the role also. So I will go edit because I want to set the existing role, right?
Yes.
ITIL. You put it here. See, here is came. What is the, I asked you, no? What is the difference between ITIL and ITIL admin? I'm just putting the ITIL. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm saving. So here, what is actually role will do is entirely came here. Okay. And here also you can check it. What is actually it will do entirely has been came.
Yes.
So Jagdish, you have been in two. One is statement. It is already came here. Condition script writer is one of the thing which has been added in automatically added in the group. If you don't want it, you can delete it also. Okay. So here, see, you can see different things have been added here. I have been already told. See, you can read incident, write incident. Okay. Change, write. Request, you can write it. CMD, you can write it. So here has different things you can see here only. Okay, total 57 roles have been assigned with the single ITIL role. How can you check it? Like you can check it. For example, here the incident. I have created one incident. Okay, the caller is some able tutor or like that. For example, Raja Rao will be the caller, and whom I am assigning Jagdish Sen. Okay, Jagdish Sen I have been assigned.
Okay.
What is the role? What is the issue. Okay, so this is the things. Now I'm just submitting. Okay, I submitted it. All is set. So Raja or the caller assigned to Jagdish Sen. Now you have to check that whether Jagdish Sen has the role to, you know, you are as an admin, you want to check whether Jagdish Sen has role to check whether you can write the incident or read the incident. You will go here. Okay, this is a shortcut method for searching. You can go here. You can go impersonate user. You are seeing this one, right? You can go here and you type the name here, Jagdish Sen. Okay, you are going here and you just put impersonate user. Just click on it. Now you are Jagdish Sen. Okay, as a system administration, you just change to Jagdish Sen. So here the dashboard has been came. So one incident has been assigned to you. So it has came here. Okay, you are seeing, right?
Yes.
So one incident has been assigned here. It has came here. You will check that your teamwork is any teamwork is there or not. No, your work. What is my work? You can see. So here the incident came here. Net issues Raja Rao. So everything has been came, right? You can open it. Okay. You can check what is the things. Impact is this one. All are given. Add the cause. No cause has been identified. So you can add the clause. Any clause will be there. Got it. Some like that. Got it. Add resolution notes. Resolution notes also important. Code is like resolved by caller. Okay. Some notes also you have to write. Done on time. Okay. If you see, you just resolved it. Okay. Resolve it. This case has been resolved, but you cannot have the option like delete. You just modified and resolved it, right?
Yes.
So this is the ITL rule. If you have an ITL admin, I will show you. For example, incidents. Okay. Now you are Jagdish Sen only. Okay.
Okay.
You are opening one of the incident. See, you don't have the option delete. I think here you have. See, you cannot delete it.
Yes.
You are seeing that, right?
Yes.
Because you are only the ITL role. You can see or modify it, but you cannot. You don't have the option to delete. So this is the difference between an admin and ITL role, and you cannot configuration also. I think so. You don't have the configuration also. I think. See, there is no configuration, right?
Yes.
Yes. This is the difference actually. By impersonate that particular person, you can see which role is actually suitable for that person. Okay.
Okay.
Now you are going and impersonate. Okay. This will actually impersonate that user to at the admin part.
Okay.
So it has been completed. Now I came to my original thing, administration. Okay. Have you got the idea on it?
Yes.
Okay. Now coming to the next class. Yes, sir. Yeah. Coming to the next class. Now the problem. Okay. Problem. We are going for the all. I think you have got the idea about roles, groups, okay, users. What are the assignment have been given? You have to do it.
Yeah, I need to only create users and groups, right?
Groups, and you have to give the roles also.
Roles I need to
Only,
assign inside it.
yeah,
Okay.
only you have to give the roles. Only you have to give the ITL role only. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
don't give unnecessary roles. You have to study the roles.
Mm.
I think there are some roles are there. You can go through the ServiceNow community and check which roles actually important to study.
Okay.
Okay, because in business organization there are some roles you have to give that particular person. Then you have to study that roles too. You cannot go all the roles because there are more than 900 roles are there. So you cannot go each and every role, right?
Yes.
So there are some important roles. I think some 15 to 20 roles are very important.
Okay.
Okay, that roles you have to mug up and you have to study because that will actually help you to securities level because this is one of the security thing only you are dealing with it.
Okay.
Like if you want to give the approval thing, what will we do? You have to study that part. Okay,
Okay.
okay. There are some things, but they are not. See, for example, there are some roles which are not very much necessary. See, here the description is not given. So some roles are not, preferable. They are only for the business purpose only.
Okay.
So there are some 15 to 20 roles are there. You have to study that roles only. But mainly in ITIL admin, and some roles are important. Okay.
Okay.
Now coming to the problem. Okay. Problem actually, I have to say that you have to see that you know root cause, how the root cause is. It is also one of the incident only, but number of incidents are converting into the problem.
Okay. Getting
Okay.
more instant for the
More,
same kind of
yeah,
issue.
with the same category with different people.
Okay.
Okay, so here is the same thing. You go for the new in behalf of getting same thing, same uh, incidents. You are creating some problem to find the root cause.
Okay.
So here is the same thing. See, category, service offering, configuration, problem statement. Uh, what is the urgency? Okay, critical
Yeah.
or not? Same assignment group assigned to.
Okay. Venkatesh, I have a question.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
See, this problem under the tickets will get right. Major instead like P1, P2.
Yes, yes.
Both are same.
No, no, no. Major incident is like what is the impact
Hmm.
of that particular area.
Okay.
For example, uh, 10 persons are using one Wi-Fi router.
Okay.
Okay, my Wi-Fi router has been broke down. That is I consider as an problem. That is I consider as a major incident because the impact of that 10 people are affecting on my business.
Okay.
Now the problem where the problem is coming is one router has been broke down, another router also broke down. Now this is the problem.
Okay.
Now this is the major thing which has been considering the not only the business but why the router is only the affecting. So that is the main problem we have to see. So based on the impact which are creating on the business, it depends on how the major incidents has been created.
Okay.
Now, based on the circumstances, like how many routers are damaging or how many servers are have been crashed, I have to check. That is, I have to consider as a problem.
Okay.
So that is the difference. That is actually very good question.
Okay.
This is the question actually an interviewer will ask.
Okay.
Okay, you can, just a minute. Have you have any idea about how to create a major incident?
Major incident. At, no, I think we only P1 will give, that's all.
Okay,
But major incident MIM team is there, separate team.
separate
So
team. Okay, okay,
they will give us the ticket. So we'll assign it to the incident like a parent incident.
okay, okay. This is actually, you can see that you can create this incident to problem also. Okay,
Okay.
create problem, create child incident.
Hmm.
If you create child incident for this incident, no, it will be become a major incident
Okay.
automatically. Okay, you can create a change also from this incident.
Hmm.
Okay, that I will
Okay.
tell you after completing of this circle. I will tell you how it will be analyzed. Okay,
Okay.
you can create three. You have been told about no changes, right? See,
Yes.
normal change, standard change, emergency change.
Yes.
So here you can see three changes are there. So we can see by this incident we can create these three changes too.
Okay.
By this incident we can create the problem also.
Okay.
If you go create a problem, then see what will happen. See, the problem has been created, but that incident number has been kept.
Hmm.
Have you understand that one, right?
Yes.
The problem this has created with that incident, because the original task is that one, right? We are creating from that one.
Okay.
But if you see this one, I'm creating direct a problem.
Okay.
Okay, I just got the email that this number of incidents have been occurred, so you better create a problem.
Okay.
Okay, so from this I have been created. If I get the same email or I get the task from my manager that from this incident you have to create the problem, so this is how you are creating the problem.
Okay.
What is the problem? What is that short description? Is net issue, right? See here
Yes.
the net issue has been came.
Yes.
So this is how you are dealing with the problem and incident at the
Okay.
same time. Here actually knowledge base is at scale. All the knowledge articles have been came because I'm using now assist. So that's when the knowledge has been came. Otherwise
Okay.
it will not came. Okay, you can pick up this from here also. You know, you have the idea about, right? You are already dealing with the
Incidents.
incident
Yes.
knowledge base, so you will definitely get it. So this is how actually it will be created.
Okay.
Okay, now the question will become, what are the stages? Okay, for the problem, what are you are facing the stages? Now the task is yours. Okay, you have to check that stages, like you have to mug up the stages, because in admin part they will ask you the stages only.
Stays in problem management.
Yes, for example, you are giving the statement. For example, I'm just saving it. Okay, okay, it has been saved. See, it has been saved. After saving it, the things are coming here in related list. Okay, after that you have to go for the access. Where you are going for the access? Here, change to access. Okay, here
Okay.
actually the problem, the difference between the incident and the problem is that only. In incident you can easily manage with the state. You
Yes.
can change the state values, but here you can't change the state value because it is only the read only.
Okay.
You can't change it, so then you will go for the access. After access it is giving that uh, I told you, no, there are some mandatory marks you have to access it. So here see, after that one it is coming out. So you will go for here. There are groups like problem manager, problem coordinator, anything which is appropriated. For example, I'm going for this one and I'm going for okay. After that access will be gone, confirmation will came. Yes, you
Okay.
are confirming about it. Yes, I'm confirming. Now after access I'm going for the confirmation. Root cause analysis has been came. In root cause analysis you have to write the description, like net issue from different users. Okay,
Okay.
uh, are you fixed it? Yes, I fixed it. Now fixed notes will become after fixing it. See, fixed notes have been come. Okay, you can write any notes which has been discussed in with your manager or not. Then you have to write like anything which you got the mail from it. Yeah, which one is third floor? Third floor setup burn. Okay, pause notes is that. Fixed notes is new setup is ready. Okay, I just close it. Now fixed progress has been came. Okay, fixed root cause analysis has been completed. Now I given the root cause analysis. Fix in progress has been came. So in fixes program, you have to check whether there are any. Sometimes there are some mandatory marks will be there. Okay, mandatory fields will be there. Here you should see that mandatory will be uh, are there or not. Some mandatory fields will be there or not. In this entire process, there is a column called reanalyze the problem. Okay, what is the reanalyze program? You have to check it because I have been set up. I have been given the notes like whatever the resolution notes or whatever the cause notes have been given. See, new set is ready. I have given the resolution notes, but the problem is again they are saying that the new set is not ready. What we will do? Again, we will go for the reanalyze. This reanalyze will use to hold that particular thing. Okay, after that you can reanalyze. It will go for the again root cause analysis. You can check it. You can go what will happen if I will go for the reanalyze, and what will happen if I go for the accept risk. Okay, if I will click on accept risk, what will happen? So this is how actually it works. Then again I'm going for the resolve. Okay, my problem has been resolved. So state is has been resolved. So it entirely completed. Now I have to, it only, the ticket has been resolved. Okay, the problem has been resolved. The ticket is yet not closed. So you have to complete all the things. Okay, all the resolution notes, you have to check other information, that what are the information has been given, what is analysis information. If you want to know what you want to give in the analyzing part, you have to give this analyzing part. And what is the notes which you want to kept it, you have to write the notes also. After that you can close it, like complete it. The state has been closed. So this is actually entire process of the problem. I think you got it right.
Yes, Venkatesh.
Yeah, so you have been given some tasks, so you have to complete the task too.
Sure.
Okay. What are the tasks, can you tell me?
One minute.
Yeah, yeah.
Need to create 15 users,
Yes,
6 groups.
yes,
Need to differentiate between ITL and ITL admin roles.
yes,
Uh, we need to only give ITL role to the users which I created.
yes.
Stages in the problem management.
Yeah, stages in the problem management. And then you have to check, you have to create problems from incident, and you have to create directly from the problem. Okay.
Okay, I need to create incident, right?
First you have to create one of the incident.
Hmm.
I have shown you, right, how you
Yes,
create the problem from the incident.
yes.
So that's how you will create. In take any incident, by taking this incident, you have to go for the right click here.
Mhm.
Okay, right click from here. You can go create problem. There will be this already created the problem.
I think it is resolved, right? That is the reason it is not coming.
That's right. So you can see different incidents. So you will create from incident also.
Okay,
And another thing is you have to create from directly from the problem table also.
okay, okay.
Okay, and after
Okay.
that you have to check what is reanalyze, what is risk accept. Okay, after
Hmm.
going to the reanalyze, where the stages is going, where the state actually it's going. Okay, whether we have the opportunity to go again root cause, or again we can set up the assigned to. So you have to check that too.
Okay.
Okay. So these are the things you have to keep in your mind. And tomorrow we will discuss about the change. Okay. And change management, and uh, we will go for the update set, or we will check update sets or not.
Okay.
Yeah, we will go for the update sets also. Okay. Update sets and table creations also.
Update
Okay.
sets. Okay.
Yeah, update sets, table creations. If possible, I will cover the UI policies and UI policy also. Okay.
Okay.
The UI policy and UI actions also. Tomorrow is Thursday, right?
Yes.
Thursday. Yeah. No, no. Tomorrow I will cover change management and update set.
Okay.
Maximum change management, update set, and table creation. Okay.
Okay.
After that, I will tell you UI policy and UI actions,
Sure.
because that's something large topic, UI actions.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so that I will describe you there only.
Okay. Okay. Venkatesh.
Uh, do you have any doubts in today's class, or
No, 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 that's
it's
fine
okay?
because I previously I did this, right?
Yes.
So I'm okay with this.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Try to make it a documentation part like how I have been done.
Yeah, sure.
It will actually help you to rewrite all the things whenever you get the problem.
Okay. Generally, I will make a notes, normal
Okay,
handbook. But
okay.
fine, this document will be helpful.
Yeah, this document actually helpful. I will show you one of the document actually.
Okay.
Uh, just a minute. Yeah. See, for example, change management is there, right?
Your screen is not visible.
Okay, okay.
I-
Just a minute. Just a minute. I will share it. Is this visible?
Yes.
See, for example, this is an incident management. Okay. What is an incident? I have been written out. Now I'm just continuing this documentation part like this. Okay. Create incident, new. What will be done in the new progress, set requirement, on hold. What are the on hold reasons? Okay. And if I go to the on hold, what is the comments mandatory? What will be the on hold reasons, like awaiting caller, awaiting change, awaiting problem, awaiting vendor? Okay. Now if I resolved it, what are the mandatory fields I should complete? Resolve notes, resolution code, different options. Okay. Now I'm closing it. After closing it, after resolve, we have to close the incident. Okay. What are the, if I got the mail from my task manager or any manager that please cancel the incident, where I can cancel for the incident? Is there any possibility for the incident or not? So this is how you have to make it.
Okay.
Okay, this entire setup will come into your mind automatically.
Okay.
Okay, then coming to uh, I think there is no problem actually. I didn't work too much on the problem, so I think there is no problem. So you have to do problem also. Okay, just a minute. I think that's the problem here. There is no problem. No, there is no problem. So for problem also you have to make the same thing. Okay.
Okay.
No, there is no problem. So for problem also you have to make it the same thing. Same documentation part, like how you are approaching it for new to access. After access, what are the mandatory fields you have to do? What are the root cause analysis you have to set up? What is the fixed progress? And after fixing the progress, where you have to go? How state is closing? Okay, these are the
Okay.
things you have to do in the same manner how I show you in the incident.
Okay, Venkatesh.
Okay then. Uh, I will send you the link after this